Hi, here is the Pentax Espio 115 overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment. If you want to open it, we need to use the strap. Here got a button, just like matching it and open it. Yeah. So using one CR123A battery. The side first, I use another new one. Okay. Next step, to open the back cover, we need to pull here this button to open it. Inside will be like this, and here's the battery. The film compartment. So we need to like slide from top to the bottom to make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the film. Okay. After that, by pulling the film tip to here will do, and make sure that your film is flat like this, and we just close it. It will auto load. And when here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting by pressing this button to on it. Okay, here is the zoom button, zoom in, zoom out. Here's the shutter button, and here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll find at the center point here got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim and half press. Okay, when I half press, you can see the left side here got a green light keep blinking, which means that it can't focus. If it's focused, then it will like light up, it won't blink like this. Yeah, then we just click it, the shutter. So if it's blinking, which means that maybe we need to like release a bit and adjust our angle in order to shoot. Then now, yeah, you see, now you have the red lightning symbol at the left side, which means that it will trigger the flash during this scene, like that. If I aim to the bright place and press, it won't trigger the flash, while if I cover it, it will trigger the flash. Yeah, so it will depends on the environment in order to adjust the setting, all these things, including the flash. And here is the red eye reduction function. Well, I've tried before and I can't find any difference. And here's the flash. If it's empty, like blank like this, only the number, which means that the flash is fully auto. Press again, this is force flash. No matter what kind of environment, it will trigger flash. Click again, it's off flash plus night mode. Flash with night mode. During the night mode, the shutter speed will be slow, so we need to hold the camera properly in order to have a better outcome. If you shake it, then it will be blur. Press again, this is bulk mode. Bulk mode is like long exposure. You see, if I click the shutter, it will keep open the shutter. Unless I release, then it will close it. So overall it's like this, bulk mode with flash. And here is the landscape mode. Landscape is like it will auto focus to infinity to the background. So when you use this function, you can just directly shoot for landscape. Click again to off it. Okay, here is the timer. Also same, half press and press it. Here have a red light light up, means that it has start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that to shoot. When it's almost there, it will start blinking like this. Okay, then press again. Is the remote at here, and we just push it up and aim to it. Okay, here got two buttons. This is shutter button, so after we click it, wait for 3 seconds, it will shoot. Then here is to adjust the zoom range. Click, wait okay. Yep. You will zoom to the max first, to the medium range, and the original one. Okay, so this is the remote, and if you didn't use it, then we just put it back. We do, and here remember to close it. Press, yeah, like that. And here is to panorama setting. Now it's normal mode. If you switch now, it will become narrow like this. Well, I wouldn't recommend, because it's just like cropping the image. Then at the back here is the date imprinting function I offers, which it will print a date on the outcome. So now it's 1994 January and 12th, the date. So if we want to adjust it, click the select, it will blink. Then we just click the adjust until the date we want. But I'm not sure whether it's until 2025 or not. Yeah, unfortunately, it's until 2019 only. So yep. Click select to move to the month. You can adjust the month you want and the date. Okay. Or you can change the format to date and time. If you don't want, you can just off it like this. And here is designed for who people that wear specs. If you look inside here is blur, then you just adjust here until it clear will do. So the overall function is like this. Hope you enjoy it.